Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into our PayPal account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your PayPal account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome over here. And after opening your preferred browser, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there's a search bar available for us. Click on the search bar and type in the address paypal.com like this and turn enter on your keyboard, and then you'll be directed to the home page of PayPal. Over here you can see, now in order to log into your PayPal account from over here, you can see the login button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your email address or your mobile number with which you had signed up for a PayPal account over here, and after that enter your password over here. And with that being said, guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always click on the forgot password button available for us. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to the process where you'll be able to reset or retrieve your PayPal account's password. And with that being said, after entering your email address or your mobile number and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your PayPal account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your PayPal account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.